Hey entrepreneurs, hi, this is Sumansmjain, and in today's video I'm going to explain you about uh, the best ways of making money online 2019 just to search. Okay, just to search. So the first one is Presearch, which you all guys know it, right? You can see here these are certain coins where you search on these any platforms you search in, you get paid 0.25 cents. Okay, let me show you how this Presearch actually works. You just need to go to Google Chrome and install this particular site called Presearch. Okay, once you install it, you just need to go and search on the Presearch, whatever you want to search with different platforms. Per searches you get 0.25 coins. Okay, and in a day you can make anywhere between 0.25 coins to maximum to 8 coins in a day. Anywhere, if it is an Indian currency, you make anywhere between 60 rupees in particular day, and if it is an US currency, it is you make anywhere between $0.9. Okay, so that is what you make per day just to search. All right, you can see here you go to Presearch back, okay, and you can select any platforms. By default I'm selecting Google and search Facebook. Okay, so either you can click anything and you can see the pop-ups, the coins pop-ups. Okay, so in this way you can even search on different platforms, and at the same time you can make certain amount of money just to search. You can see the changes over here. All right, of course the payment is low, but actually you get paid just to search. Okay, so the first one which I want to talk about in this today's video is, the first website is called GLASSDOOR. Okay, I'm just going here and typing in GLASSDOOR. Okay, so this is a platform where one can actually go and search for microsites, micro works, and make a lot of money from that. So I'm just clicking on this GLASSDOOR. Okay, when I click on this GLASSDOOR, I just need to type in, okay, I just need to type in search evaluator. Okay, so when I type in search evaluator, you would see there is different kinds of jobs which has been available, okay, which is even on a daily and hourly basis. Okay, so you get paid over here. So but if I type the location, this is India, so you cannot see whether they are given the opportunity, you know, like on hourly. Here if you can see in India, per hour you get paid anywhere between 20 to 22 rupees. Okay, but again if it is in US, okay, or any other market, okay, you would see that they are actually getting paid anywhere between you can see here this is a monthly package, and even on a daily basis also they get paid anywhere between $10 to $14 per day. Okay, so of course this is a legit one, and you can actually get paid. You can see here paid search specialist $14 to $22. Okay, so of course it's a wonderful site where you can actually get paid with different companies. All right, so I would give this a Glassdoor #1 shout out, because this has particularly given us to evaluate not only with search evaluator but different other micro jobs as well. All right, so that is one thing. I just want to show you over here how you get paid on hourly basis. This is what I was talking about. Okay, you can check on this Appen company. Okay, I just wanted to go here and type in Appen. Okay, when I go and type in Appen, when I click on this Appen, okay, here also you can see it's like you have a flexible workers over here 24/7, and anyone from any part of the world can work with this particular company. You can even go with the click on the services. You can check out what kind of services you can provide and make a lot of money on a hourly basis. So I would give this company, and even you can see there's a press release that Appen is named a #1 company to watch for remote jobs in 2019. So I would give I would just tell you to go and try this company and work with this company and make a lot of money from this. All right, so the second one website which is a bonus for you is called Lionbridge. Okay, this is called a Lionbridge website which talks more about the smart crowd. All right, and you can see all the information, who they are, what they usually do. You know, they are related with content creation services, both technical and specialty. So if you are good at content, then yes, this is the right place where you can provide your services and make a lot of recognition plus money. And you can see there's different kinds of platforms where you can actually click on it and go, and you can say the interpretation services, editing services, narrative services, right? So all the information have been given here, what exactly you need to do. And after that, you just need to apply for their services, and once you get approved, you provide them the services and you make a lot of money with this. So this is called Lion Bridge. Okay, so this is what I want to talk about with today's video. Is the first one is Glassdoor, the second one is Appen.com, and the third one is Lionbridge. All the three work global. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and if you want to get more information on how to make money online with different methods and way, then you need to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. If you have any questions, I would get back to you as quick and as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.